Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben. Hello, friends. How are you today?
We are very happy you are here with us.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today we will talk about something very useful, asking for and giving directions in English.
Directions mean how to go from one place to another. For example, how to go to the bank or how to go to the train station.
Exactly. If you travel to an English-speaking country, you will need to ask for directions, and maybe you also need to give directions to someone else.
Today, we will practice simple phrases, vocabulary, and examples together.
Okay, let's start with some important vocabulary.
Good idea. First, the word left. Left is the opposite of right.
Yes. Repeat after me, listeners. Left.
Again, left. Very good.
Now the word right. Repeat after me. Right.
Perfect. So we have left and right.
Another important word is straight. Straight means go forward, don't turn.
Repeat after me. Straight.
Excellent.
Another useful word is corner. A corner is where two streets meet.
Yes. For example, turn left at the corner.
Repeat after me. Corner.
Good job.
Now let's practice some simple sentences.
Okay. Imagine I am lost. I want to go to the bank. I can ask, "Excuse me, where is the bank?"
Yes, that is very polite. You can start with, "Excuse me." It is important to be polite.
Then the person can answer. For example, go straight and turn right at the corner.
Let's try together. I'm the tourist and you are the local person.
Okay,
Excuse me, where is the bank?
go straight, then turn right at the corner.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good. That is a very simple conversation.
Let's give our listeners more examples.
Sure. I will ask you, Ben. Excuse me, where is the train station?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The train station is on your right.
Great. Let's explain. The word block means the space between two streets.
Yes, so 2 blocks means walk past 2 streets.
Repeat after me, listeners. 1 block.
2 blocks.
Excellent.
Now let's practice another example. Emma, you ask me again.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bus stop?
Walk straight ahead. The bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Good. The word next to means very close, beside.
Repeat after me. Next to.
Great! Another useful phrase is across from. That means on the other side of the street.
For example, the library is across from the park.
Repeat after me. Across from.
Very good.
Now let's make a longer example.
Okay,
Excuse me, where is the post office?
go straight for 1 block. Turn left at the traffic light. The post office is across from the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. Did you hear, listeners? We used traffic light and across from.
Yes. Traffic light is the red, yellow, and green light for cars.
Repeat after me. Traffic light.
Excellent.
Now, let's talk about starting polite questions.
Good idea. Here are some common ways. Excuse me, where is?
Excuse me, how do I get to?
Can you tell me the way to?
For example, excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Or, can you tell me the way to the park?
Repeat after us, listeners. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Very good. Now try, excuse me, how do I get to the station?
Perfect. Now, let's practice some answers.
Yes, you can say, go straight, turn left, turn right, it's on your left, it's on your right, it's next to the, it's across from the.
Let's do a quick game. I will ask and you answer, Ben.
Okay.
Excuse me, where is the park?
Go straight, then turn left. The park is on your right.
Excuse me, where is the hospital?
It's across from the school.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
It's next to the library.
Excellent.
Listeners, now it's your turn. I will ask you.
Good idea.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Mm,
Did you answer? You can say, go straight, it's on your left.
excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Maybe you said, it's next to the pharmacy.
Excuse me, how do I get to the park?
You can say, go straight and turn right at the corner.
Well done.
Wow, we practiced a lot today.
Yes, let's quickly review. Left, right, straight, corner, block.
Next to, across from. Polite questions. Excuse me, where is? How do I get to?
Example answers: go straight, turn left, it's on your right, it's across from the bank.
If you practice these, you will feel confident when asking for directions.
And you will understand better when people give you directions.
Friends, don't be shy. If you are lost, just ask politely. Most people will be happy to help you.
Thank you, friends, for joining us today.
Yes, we are so happy to help you practice English.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way, you will get more English lessons every week.
Keep practicing, and remember, small steps every day make a big difference.
You are doing a great job.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.